Okay, we are full of dust. Holy shit, we have work to do. Due to work, the yacht hasn't been washed 6 months. So I changed my clothes right now because I assume we're gonna be like shit today and my ass is gonna get wet. So yeah, we're gonna start washing outside and see how much dirt this thing has gathered over the months. This is the winter version because we remove everything from inside and we store it on a dry place without any υγρασία. I don't remember the fucking word, I'm gonna write it down on the translation. Let's go in the front. We start from there. It's a little bit windy today, but we're gonna make it. Alright, now see the dust. Nope, something. Here's a problem. Here's another problem. Ew, that's disgusting. Now I wash this one to get the dust over, and then I'm gonna remove it and clean the windshield. What the hell happened here? The bird had a bad time in the bath. Ew. Yeah, we're gonna need some soap. That's why I should get more time to wash it and take care of it, because this time I didn't have much time, and as you can see, it's like shit. Unbelievable how much dust is in the air. Now let's move on the front. Seems good? Yes. Remember the song that it was saying, pump it? It's not what we're gonna do right now. Oh yes, nice and easy. Now we have now we're gonna get this mess in one piece, and we're good for today because the heat is coming a little hot because it's 2 o'clock in the morning, in the afternoon. So never leave your yacht unwashed for more than a week, because this today was a big disaster. Also we cleaned the top floor, everything here. We didn't remove the covers. We're gonna remove them next week when we take this out. So yeah, that's for today. I hope you like the small procedure, and see you on the next episode. Have a nice evening. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel, of course, and see you when we hit the sea.